Imagine a team meeting where everyone is engaged. Pens fly across pages as team members contribute their thoughts. The room buzzes with ideas. Each person brings their expertise to the table. This collective energy ignites motivation to find solutions. As the fishbone diagram takes shape, it reveals not just problems but potential paths forward. Each branch acts as a stepping stone toward resolution. This fuels a sense of purpose within each member. They are united by a shared goal of improvement. With every additional branch filled out, the room's atmosphere shifts to excitement and anticipation. Team members lean in and share insights. These discussions spark deeper understanding. They realize that their combined efforts can tackle even the most daunting challenges ahead. As the team digs deeper into the diagram, someone raises a hand, suggesting they revisit the people category. What about employee motivation? They ask, igniting renewed enthusiasm. This prompts a flurry of ideas. Members recall instances where employees felt undervalued or overlooked. A lively debate ensues. It highlights the importance of recognition and support in building a motivated workforce. The fishbone diagram evolves further. It weaves their insights into a rich tapestry of possibilities. This illuminates aspects previously overlooked. Each contribution adds weight to their findings. It reinforces the collaborative spirit embedded in the process. With every discussion, they inch closer to uncovering the true root causes driving their challenges. They are ready to tackle solutions together. Let's break it down into smaller pieces, another team member suggests. They point at the visual representation. They begin dissecting the process category, pondering whether inadequate training could be a factor. Ideas bounce around the room as they analyze workflows. Suggestions on streamlining communication surface. Ideas for enhancing onboarding procedures emerge. As they dig deeper, the team realizes inefficiencies in the existing training modules. These inefficiencies likely contribute to confusion among employees. They also cause frustration that affects performance. The fishbone diagram flourishes with new branches. It reflects the growing complexity and interconnectedness of their insights. Team members eagerly document every thought. Moments of clarity shine through the haze. They connect training deficiencies to higher turnover rates. The room resonates with a shared determination to redefine their approach. The collective energy builds, turning assessments into a focused mission. The evolving diagram clarifies challenges and sparks ownership in overcoming them. Let's consider how our equipment plays a role, someone chimes in. They ponder whether outdated technology hinders productivity, leading to dissatisfaction and turnover. As discussions unfold, the team begins to list outdated equipment that frequently malfunctions, escalating frustration. Investing in new tools can boost morale and efficiency, impacting retention and addressing operational deficits. The team develops a cohesive action plan. With markers in hand, the group maps ideas, discussing impact and feasibility. They build on each other's suggestions, blending creativity with practicality. Energy runs high as insights spark further discussion. Using the fishbone diagram, they prioritize initiatives for immediate and lasting results. In the next video we will discuss about mind mapping in RCA. Stay connected with us. Thank you.